artistic family, glad you guys are here. If you are new, I have started my new creative direction in abstract painting. I'm still doing my fluid art, but please take a look at my abstract painting playlist and get caught up. For those of you who are new, thank you for stopping by. I love metallics and creating with simplicity. And if you love that and modern abstract art, you're in the right place. So guys, just a few things before we get started. I just wanted to tell you what I got here. So I have two different size metal palette knives, okay? And lately, I have been using canvas panels rather than canvases, but mainly for my abstract painting. These are from Michaels. I absolutely love them. They're two 11 by 14s, black canvas panels, and I'll explain to you now what I do with canvas panels, because I've had a lot of people ask me questions about them warping. And what I say to that is, when you're doing fluid art, make sure that you're using a base that is going to cover the entire canvas. So if you're propping it up, use something large like a big bowl or a huge rack, or make sure that you put something on all fours and something in the center, okay? Because that's where they really bow and then they kind of curl. So what I love to do with them is just simply frame them. And I have a lot of these smaller 12 by 12 and 11 by 14 shadow boxes by Studio Decor. I got them from Michaels. They're that gorgeous thick edge. They give it that gallery look and that dimension from it being a shadow box.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't